Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great question from one of our viewers out there, and they were wanting to know, should I store volatile materials in my crawl space? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about crawl space encapsulation, insulation, waterproofing. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, follow us on Facebook, check out our franchise opportunities, and also our DIY store. So a lot of people, they will start to encapsulate the crawl space or repair the crawl space. They'll put underlayment and vapor barrier, control humidity, waterproof, take care of the mold. And then they get this idea that they want to start using it for storage. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, many crawl spaces are pretty tall. We've seen people drive their lawnmowers in. We've seen people put kayaks in their crawl space and different things like that. What I want to caution you on, though, is putting anything in there that can create a fume or a potential mold problem, okay? So driving that lawnmower, that riding lawnmower, that push mower in that crawl space, keep in mind that the decking, the blades, where all that is, there's probably grass in that, and over time it can mold. You know, the grass can create a mold issue and then leak mold into the crawl space, but you've also got the gas itself. It gives off a fume, and remember, the stack effect causes the air in the crawl space or your basement to typically go up into your living space. So you want to be careful. Any kind of paints, there's paint lockers that you can get. If you're going to store things like that, even if it's low VOC paint or gas or pesticides or things like that, make sure it's in an approved locker, or make sure that you've got proper ventilation in the crawl space that is pushing air out of the crawl space on a continual basis versus allowing it go up into your living space. So I don't want to discourage you from using your crawl space to store items, but just make sure that they're properly sealed. I don't like cardboard either. Cardboard, if you ever get some kind of plumbing leak or something like that down there, the cardboard will get wet and start to grow mold. So use plastic bins if you can. Try to use safe containers to store those things, but typically something that's going to fume, it's going to have to ventilate. Your gas cans and things like that are going to allow those fumes to go in their crawl space. So I would prefer you to put those somewhere else if you've got a volatile organic material or something that could be a hazard to your family. So be careful what you store in your crawl space. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.